subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Ulefone has launched its new affordable rugged smartphone globally called Ulefone Armor 8 Pro. Talking about the specifications, the Ulefone Armor 8 Pro supports a tall 6.1-inch HD Plus display with 19.5:9 aspect ratio, and the screen on the top is protected by scratch-resistant glass. For durability, the phone is built with aluminum plus rubber on the back, and it is IP68 or IP69K certified for dust and water resistance alongside the high temperature resistance, and it is military standard 810G compliant as well. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Helio P60 chipset, paired with Mali G72 MP3 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of onboard storage that is further expandable up to 1TB via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the camera, the Ulefone Armor 8 Pro features a triple camera setup on the rear along with the LED flash at the top center. The AAA camera includes a 16MP main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 5MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has an 8MP selfie camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5580 mAh battery that supports 15W fast charging, and it runs on Android 11 out of the box. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS, NFC, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 166 by 81.8 by 15mm, and it weighs around 282 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Ulefone Armor 8 Pro has been priced at $160, and the smartphone is now up for pre-orders in black, red and orange color options. So what do you guys think of this Ulefone Armor 8 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.